Hey guys, I'm Shikha and this is Beat Style Under 3 where we break down latest looks of Bollywood celebrities. Ranbir Kapoor is one actor whose style is always very casual, relatable yet put together. He can be deemed as a stylish guy, but he doesn't experiment too much, making his style very relatable and easy to acquire and aspirational for all Indian men. So, we're breaking down a recent airport look of Ranbir Kapoor today. He was seen wearing a pair of light wash jeans, which he styled with a grey Henley. He layered the look with a navy bomber jacket and then wore the look with a brown belt and white sneakers. He was also seen wearing a snapback to complete the look and, of course, shades to avoid the paparazzi. Now, a navy jacket is something that men often don't indulge in or invest in. When it comes to their winter layers, they usually wear a blazer or a coat in a darker hue or a black leather jacket. But a navy bomber jacket, I think, is super versatile. It can be taken from parties to casual days out and weekends. So let me show you a couple of navy jackets that we have over here that you men must totally try. The first one over here is this really cool navy jacket that has panelings inside it. So if you're a fan of camo, there's good news for you. Camo is a massive trend this season. So as you can see, this has panels of camo. It's not completely camo, so it's not in your face. So it's also a nice way to step into the trend. At the same time, it's a really luxurious and stylish looking bomber jacket. So a jacket like this would be a complete head turner if you're heading out to a party. If you're someone who likes to keep it more basic, then you can go for a jacket like this. This is more similar to the one that Ranbir Kapoor was wearing. It's a normal zipper jacket. You could wear it with a grey Henley and maybe a pair of jeans like these ones for a casual day out. These pair of jeans have a side stripe on them, making them look a bit like joggers. So this is a cool look as well. If you don't want to go for bombers, you could pick a denim jacket instead. Men usually go for a darker blue of denim or a lighter wash of denim or a black denim jacket, but I think a navy denim jacket is quite a neutral hue. It goes with everything and it looks super duper stylish. The best part about a denim jacket is that it can be worn in transitional weather as well. So you could wear it in summer evenings, you could wear it on a holiday, you could wear it over a hoodie in the winter months. So a denim jacket is something that would definitely give you a lot of utility, and navy is a color that can be worn for the daytime as well as the nighttime. That's all from this episode of Beat Style Under 3. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Hey guys, I'm Manish and welcome to Beat Style Under 3, where I break down celebrity looks in under 3 minutes. Today, I'm going to show you how to rock the bomber jacket like a Bollywood star. Ajay Devgan was spotted in a casual black bomber jacket which he kept zipped up till his chest and paired a charcoal grey t-shirt underneath. He completed the look with blue jeans and a pair of grey sneakers. This is a great casual outfit that's perfect for days when you want to look well put together without putting in too much effort. It looks sophisticated yet laid back thanks to the smart layering with the bomber jacket. Bomber jackets are an athleisure staple that's a favorite with Bollywood stars like Kartik Aaryan and Varun Dhawan. When choosing a bomber jacket, pick one that rests loosely on your hips and ensure that the cuffs don't go past your wrist. When layering over a t-shirt, the silhouette of a bomber jacket is flattering as it brings all the attention to the shoulders while making the torso appear much slimmer. To get a look inspired by Ajay, start with a navy bomber jacket like the one that I have over here. It's got a thin collar and a silver zip detailing. What you can do is layer this jacket over a grey t-shirt similar to the one that I have over here. Throw on a pair of blue jeans and your look is almost done. To complete the look, throw on a pair of white sneakers and a digital smartwatch. I think this outfit would work really well for a casual hangout sesh with your buddies. You can also pair this jacket with a white tank top and black joggers combo to create a really comfortable outfit that will be perfect for lounging in. The next look that I'm going to talk about is the ideal statement piece to add to your wardrobe. This red bomber jacket is exactly the kind of stylish AF outfit that will definitely make heads turn. The sporty vibe of this jacket is a great way to elevate your casual outfits. Wear a black graphic tee underneath the bomber jacket like this one to add some flair to the entire look. Pair it with chunky black sneakers and black jeans for a complete look. This entire outfit would work well for a night out clubbing. You could also create a really chilled out gym outfit by wearing this bomber jacket over a white tank top and blue joggers and white sneakers. Well, I do hope that you're inspired to add athleisure pieces like these bomber jackets to your wardrobe. They're a great way to layer and effortlessly look stylish without making too much of an effort. The best part about bomber jackets is that no matter what the fabric, be it leather, denim or nylon, they look great and work well on most body types. So the next time you go shopping, make sure to add it to your cart. That's it from this episode of B-Town Style Under 3. I will see you guys with another celebrity look next time. Until then, ciao.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, Celeb Looks Originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.